Who gets a good start. Number 12 getting Matthew Watson making a good move up. And down the avenue for the first time.
Going to come through Denton's down into
Also from the Weller. Right, coming down 5 places. Southcott departs now.
So Southcott in the very rapid 175 car is going to be joining this race and will be getting onto the tail of the field. If qualifying's anything to go by, it was about 2 or 3 seconds ahead of the other cars in the class, and then another, it depends on the class in the field, but should be coming to catch up fairly soon.
Change for the lead. He's done it. He's gone past. I can't believe it.
1 minute 42.8.
Andrew's out. I think he's going to slow down.
A bit dicey. Racing through in second place, and there was.
No, it didn't go out. A good start by pole position man. Into second place is it number 40, James Harvey.
Piloted one as the 2097 just goes across the chicane, and the 17 coming by me now. There goes the 17. They run wide for the second time. They're on the going into Knickerberg, and this time.
Car.
I know it's black and white, and then the next one's car off at the exit of Denton.
or 162. Turnbull second in that class. Third, the 10th car of
Slauson, he made a very good start in race 1, he's made a very good start in race 2 as well. There's Harvey Kersley in 3rd, Marsden in 6th place. 5th to 7th has gone Evans, and round has gone he decided more trying to put the car ahead off rather than